In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change row height in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to make your changes. Row height controls how tall each cell appears from top to bottom, and adjusting it can make your spreadsheet much easier to read. This is especially helpful when text looks cramped, when a row contains longer notes, or when you simply want a cleaner layout. For example, if you have a worksheet with columns like name and notes, and some cells contain longer job titles or descriptions, the default row height may not provide enough space for the content to feel clear and organized. In cases like that, increasing the row height can improve visibility and make the sheet look more professional. One simple way to change row height is by dragging the row border manually. Look over to the far left side of the worksheet, where the row numbers appear. Find the row you want to adjust, then move your cursor to the bottom edge of that row number. As you hover in the correct spot, the pointer will change into a double-headed arrow. That change in the cursor is your sign that Excel is ready to resize the row. Once you see the double-headed arrow, click and drag downward to increase the row height. As you drag, the row becomes taller, giving the contents inside the cells more room. If you want to make the rows smaller instead, click and drag upward. This reduces the height and can help tighten up extra space if a row looks too tall. When using this method, take your time and watch the row as it changes. This gives you a quick visual way to decide what looks best. It's a very practical option when you want full control over the appearance of a specific row without entering any settings or menus. If your text appears crowded or difficult to read, adjusting the row height manually is often the fastest fix. It's also useful when you want certain rows to stand out visually, such as rows with headers, notes, or more detailed information. That's all there is to it. Changing row height in Excel is a simple formatting adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how readable and polished your worksheet looks. Once you practice it a couple of times, it becomes a quick and natural part of working in Excel.